There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. The rainy season is their second season of them. The Bengali months Ashar and Shraban are called the rainy season. During the rainy season, the sky is often overcast with thick black clouds covering the sky close to the Earth's surface. Bangladesh is a land of rivers. Most of her lands are low-lying. As a result, she is often visited by floods. Sometimes there are floods for some days and even for months. The main reason for causing floods is heavy rainfall. The water of the heavy rainfall gives rise to the overflow of the rivers and rushes away on both sides. Bangladesh faces this problem almost every year. View of the Har area. These areas have become beautiful places due to the floods. Boating in these places is a pleasure. During this period, the water level in the rivers of the country increased. Floods occur in these areas due to rains. Then the landscape of these regions is transformed into a unique beauty. Such natural decoration is not commonly seen.